Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the Axie Infinity Ronin wallet. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and configuring your Ronin wallet. A crucial step to start playing Axie Infinity. First, it is essential to understand what Axie Infinity is. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. To play the game, you need to have a digital wallet that supports the game's native cryptocurrency, Smooth Love Potion, and the Ethereum network. The Ronin wallet is a digital wallet specifically designed for Axie Infinity players. It allows you to store, send, and receive digital assets, such as Axies, Smooth Love Potion, and other cryptocurrencies. Setting up the Ronin wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To set up your Ronin wallet, start by going to the official Ronin website and clicking on the download button. Once the download is complete, follow the installation instructions to install the wallet on your device. After installing the wallet, you will be asked to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are new to the Ronin wallet, select the option to create a new wallet. You will be prompted to create a password and set up a secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial, as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you forget your password or lose access to your device. Once you have set up your wallet, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other important information. From here, you can send and receive digital assets, such as Axies and Smooth Love Potion, and interact with the Axie Infinity game. Using the Ronin wallet offers several benefits, including convenience, security, and ease of use. The wallet is designed specifically for Axie Infinity players, making it easy to manage your digital assets and interact with the game. Additionally, the wallet provides a high level of security, with features such as encryption and two-factor authentication. In conclusion, setting up the Axie Infinity Ronin wallet is a simple and straightforward process that is essential for playing the game. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create and configure your Ronin wallet and start enjoying the game. Remember to always keep your wallet and recovery phrase safe, as they are crucial to accessing your digital assets.